Whenever you patch things up with the B-Nice, because Nancy said that she's waiting for the right time to talk to you, will you be more open to probably run in the future?
I think that at this point, it's better that we don't really discuss our personal relations through the media. I mean, if there are any talks between us, I think it should be in private.
Okay, ma'am. And are further discussions with Senator Cheese Escudero still ongoing?
Well, Senator Cheese and I have been friends, and yes, we talk about possibilities, but there's nothing certain.
For now, it's undecided.
Were you offered by the LP to join the party?
No, there was no such offer from the president yesterday, if you're referring to that. From the meeting, it was just discussing about what he would like to see continued after 2016.
Would you need to be a member of LP? If you're going to run?
He didn't make any stipulation that you need to be a member, but neither did I also say that I kept my position that I maintain to be an independent candidate.
You're not willing to join the party?
No, I think that our countrymen will appreciate it more if you maintain your independence. At this point, I think it's too politically expedient just for an upcoming election to swear into a particular political party.
But you mentioned lack of machinery.
Majority of the LP is open to non-LP. So you still really talk to the LP or to the LP?
I don't think I'm in that position. I think that they should decide, obviously, for themselves. If then they're not open to a non-LP member, that's their policy.
Pero it's non-negotiable yung pagiging.
Meron?
Kasi may mga ibang bagay na talagang kailangan panindigan natin. At sa tingin ko naman, ang iisipin natin kung anong makakabuti sa ating mga kababayan. I feel that my independence has allowed me also to make certain decisions without having to be constrained to a particular party. Not that I'm saying that a party is not good, but what I'm just saying is that there are certain considerations that it's better also to remain independent.
On this early, former Congressman Jim Panas said he will file a disqualification case against you if you decide to run. What do you say about it?
Well, it's his right to file a case. We are ready for it. In fact, our countryman has been given a preview of the case that they will file against me. Alam niyo naman po, marami namang mga kaso na pwedeng isampa. Mas mabuti na yan na lang ang kasong isinasampa sa akin dahil ako naman po ay nagsasabi ng totoo. Ang iba ay tatakbo, mas mabigat ang mga kaso na isasampa sa kanila.
Si Paras po and Congressman Tito Atienza is saying parang masyado rin kayo ambitious. You should yourself parang run before considering running for the president.
Siguro para sa kanila, ang isang taong katulad ko na abandoned ay walang karapatan na mag-ambisyon. Ako naman, ang ambisyon ay hindi para magkaroon ng kapangyarihan. Kung sakasakali man, ang gusto ko na magkaroon ng pribilehiyo na manilbihan sa ating mga kababayan, sa paraan na yon ay ang iniisip ko at hindi para magkaroon na kung ano-anong benepisyo.
You mentioned machinery and money. Outside LP, ma'am, you can have other sources or other people who can help you in there.
Yes, I think so. And in fact, kahit naman isang independent candidate, marami naman sa ating mga kababayan ay pwedeng tumulong kung sakasakali.
Given the possible resources, if ever in the future, would you reconsider to run if ever?
Given the what?
Given the money, for example, the proper resources, can you consider?
Alam niyo po, yung pagtaas sa survey o yung dami ng pera ay hindi lamang determinasyon para tumakbo. Unang-una, meron ka bang magandang plataforma na sa tingin mo makakatulong sa mga mahihirap nating kababayan at sa lahat? At pangalawa, kung meron ka bang kakayanan, lahat naman yun ay tinitimbang.
Mamasapan ng investigation, kamusta? Ano pong status?
Yung mamasapan ng incident ay tungkol sa facts and findings. Yan naman po ay na-file na as our committee report. In fact, yung mga kaso na sa tingin namin ay mga rekomendasyon sa ombudsman ay sinumite na namin at sila naman po ay nagbigay na ng acknowledgement tungkol. Thank you. Thank you, guys.